Are you tired of your iPhone screen constantly going dark or locking itself right when you are in the middle of something? Today, I'm going to show you how you can disable auto lock and brightness dim on iPhone. This is good if you don't want your phone to automatically dim the brightness or lock itself, especially if you're trying to explain something on your device and it auto locks and you don't want to put your password in front of the other person. So without further ado, let me show you the settings that you have to change so your screen brightness never dims and your device never auto locks. This way, you will have total control of your iPhone screen. On your device, go to the settings app. Mine is right here, so tap there. Inside the settings app, scroll down until you find display and brightness right here. Tap there. Inside display and brightness, scroll down until you find auto lock. As you can see on the right side, mine is set to 30 seconds. Tap there and you'll see here that you have a lot of options. You can set yours to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Right at the bottom, you have the option to set never. Tap there. Once you select never, your device will never auto lock or dims its brightness. But remember, if you set that option, because your device will be always on, it will drain more battery. So set this option only to those situations where you want to explain something and then turn that option back to 1, 2, or 30 seconds. Once you've selected that option, just tap here to go back, tap again to go back, and you're good to go. The screen of your device will never dim itself and your device will never auto lock. This way, you can explain whatever you want on your device without worry. Well everyone, this is how you set the brightness of your iPhone to never dim itself and to never auto lock. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget, like, share it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.